Thutha wa Kenya kuma ituri itiganite guteta kumana na kwandikithio ta memba ciama cia uteti mugaru na wendi wao, riu andiki anene ya ciama ici 74 bururi-ini ni mathaganitie giikaro na wabici ya wandikithia wa ciama undu umwe na ile ya ugitiri wa ndumiriri cia muingi niyo Data Protection Commission kwariria njira cia kurumbuia mateta maya. Kuringana na abitha munene wa kamiti ya kugitira ndumiriri cia andu bururi-ini Immaculate Kasait, Kenya makiria 300 nio mandikithitie mateta ma gwikura ciama-ini ngurani mugaru na wendi wao, akiuga riu kamiti yake hamwe na ciama ici cia kiuteti mari na ihinda ria mieri 3 gucenjia thina uyu.
We have followed the like data processing has a procedure. Even though we have pending regulations in terms of how the procedure should proceed, we have written officially to political party, and today was part of that process of looking into those complaints and looking at how then best to resolve the issue. That is why we are here. Na niguo guteithiriria undu uyu ni wakinyanira naruo ta uria kwahoteka, mwandikithia wa ciama bururi-ini Nderitu augite ni megukorwo magithagania rurenda nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ruria ruriteithagiriria mundu kuma kana kuingira kiama-ini ro giothe kia uteti.
Nothing prevents you from moving from one political party to another. I think it has been explained that one of the ways that we want to do and what we have agreed with political parties today is that we make it easier for a person to join or leave a political party. The leaving, therefore, is creating a platform, a digital platform where you can actually opt out if you want actually to leave a political party.
Nderitu ni oriti ya Kenya kwanjia kuhimbiria mutugo wa gukorwo mari ya memba ciama cia kiuteti, akiuga ino ni imwe wa njira ya gukuria na kuhanda ciama cia kiuteti iri na uge na muoroto mwega.
Parties are institutions of governance which actually require support, and they require to be strengthened so that political parties become vehicles by which then we bring leaders on board. So we should encourage, first of all, the first education is to encourage Kenyans that it's okay to belong to political parties. But should you feel that you don't want to belong to this political party, you want to belong to another, that's what we are saying. We create a system that is simpler, which is digital based, for you to, at your table or where you are able to join these political parties and live.
Atongoria ciama cia kiuteti ni makenereire ikinya riri, mwikirigiti wa kamiti ya guteithiriria uruti wa wira gatagati ga ciama ciothe cia kiuteti bururi-ini Evans Misati akiuga mucemanio wa umuthi ni ukinyanirie matanya maguo.
We have been enlightened about the rights of Kenyans by the Commissioner of Data Protection. And now political parties are aware. So we are not going to have this problem reoccurring. But we want to tell those Kenyans who are looking for trouble that the political parties have agreed that they are working together, and the Registrar of Political Parties has created an environment that political parties are working together to the coming general election.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nakuru, ritwa riakwa ni Wang'ombe wa Maina.